important in our life. And his name is Mohammed Afzal sir, and he is going to speak about what things are important in our life. So, Afzal sir, please come on the stage.
So, firstly, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Today we are present here and deliver speech. And firstly, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friends who have given chance to speak in front of you. You know very well, my name is Mohammed Afzal. I live in Gosi. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English run by Ghulam Nabi sir. And I wish to thank you all like the bottom of the heart for giving a speech. And today my speech is what is the important thing in our life. So firstly thing is talented. If you have talented person, then you can do, you will do anything in our life. One thing is, suppose that you are teacher and you have many degrees and you are educated person, but you will go school and you will teach to student, but if you have no talent, then you not successful teach. And second thing is how to success in your life. If you success in your life, so you only focus on your work. And this time some students playing games like Free Fire, PUBG and Clash of Clans. You can play. I'm not saying live for it. You can play, but that time you will do your work and you only focus your work. And you can play Free Fire in free time. But when you will do your work, then you will only focus in your work. And third thing is education. Education is, I know education is very important in our life, but if you have talented, then you succeed in life. Like Sachin Tendulkar is a 10th failure, but this time is very great player in cricket. And Cristiano Ronaldo, he also, I know he only study at 12, but this time is very good player in football. So you can do anything in your life. You are only thinking positive. You not thinking positive. He will do. I don't know. I cannot do anything. You will do. Firstly, you will thinking positive, and you will do. So thanks for listening to me carefully.
It was a very good speech, and we should focus on our work, because work will help us on in future. And
आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता।